Hi everyone, welcome back to Get Updated Now. And these are three hair care products that are from Caffeine, and I've been using them for a couple of months, so I wanted to share like this review. So I was using them on frizzy hair, okay, and of course there was this issue of hair fall. That's why I was using this. That's why I thought of using them because I've been using MCaffeine products like their masks and their face washes, their creams, and they've been pretty good. So I thought of using this. Anyway, so let's start with the shampoo, which says that this is like it controls your hair fall and it gives shaft nourishment, hair shaft nourishment, and deep cleanse. So um, I don't think so that it was really cleaning my hair because it left them like rough and dry. Like, it was never like that before uh, using the shampoo. So it's like completely different thing that I thought I was using. So maybe because it was like protein enriched, or it has this argan oil thing. But what I would really say is no to this, because uh, your hair won't feel like silky anymore or soft anymore. It leaves your hair really dry. So if you're using only the shampoo, and yes, there's like less lather. So even if you use like a lot of quantity, you won't get enough lather in your hair. So which might be good, but you want your hair to be soft, right? Like you want to feel that you've washed them. So it is sulfate free and silicone free, but what I said was, this is the issue, that you feel that your hair is still rough and needs to be washed again. Okay. So after this, the moment you move to the next one, which is the conditioner, and which is also anti-hair fall. So here are the things that it does to your hair again. But you feel good when you're using the conditioner. Like you feel that this might leave your hair soft, and uh, you because you need to feel better, right? After washing your hair, you want to feel lightheaded, but instead you feel like you're you're not able. Once this is washed, you feel like you're not able to comb your hair properly, or it's too dry. It leaves your hair too dry. So I think if you already have frizzy hair or dry hair, then you must think twice before using this. Then I thought that this might do something good after, if the shampoo isn't working, and the conditioner isn't doing any good to your hair. Like, it's not my hair fall is still the same after like almost a couple of months that I've been using this. It's the same. So then I thought of using this, but again, it, it doesn't feel like a serum, because serums are usually soft, right? I mean, they're too light, and they're light on your hair, but no, this thing is again the same issue. It leaves your hair, if you look at this, it's like a tonic kind of look. It's not like a serum, okay? So it looks like a tonic, and again it leaves your hair too dry, and you don't feel like you have washed your hair at all. It's difficult to manage your hair after using them. So of course, big yes to all the other products of MCaffeine, like the ones that I've been using. Their face wash, I mean, I feel I can never stop using the face wash, and the night mask, and their moisturizers which are really light and good. They're really giving good results. The serum for your skin, the face serum, which is also really nice. Either green tea or the caffeine one, the coffee one, both are awesome. But then the hair care, I think they need to improve it, or they should mention proper hair types, like they say all hair types, which I feel no, it's not for all hair types, especially for hair, like my kind of hair, which is already frizzy and which is already dry, and no, it's not for them. Okay, so I hope you liked my review, and thank you for watching.